You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, Spanish name, correctly. There are different pronunciations, including in Spanish itself, depending on the country, the origin. By the way, if you want to learn more Spanish pronunciation, stay tuned. So let's go through the Spanish pronunciation from Spain. Central Spain in particular is as Vasquez, with the V pronounced like a B, the S pronounced like an S, that's fine, and the Z at the end pronounced like TH. Vasquez, with TH with your tongue between your teeth. Vasquez. Now, in other Spanish-speaking countries or other part of Spain, the Z at the end could be pronounced like an S, so Vasquez, Vasquez. Now, some Spanish-speaking countries do pronounce V more like a V, so rather than a B, and they can say it as Vasquez, Vasquez, with the Z pronounced like an S, also Vasquez. Now, in English, it's usually pronounced as Vasquez, Vasquez, all right? Never Vasquez. No, that doesn't exist. Vasquez, that would be the English pronunciation, or in Spanish, Vasquez or Vasquez or Vasquez. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.